Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the Airpods 2nd gen Airpods 2. I want to show you guys how to connect that or pair that to the Samsung Galaxy phone here that's using Android Oreo. So Samsung phone that's using Android Oreo, this is the video for you. So before we do anything with the phone, what we want to do is first get the Airpods 2 or the Airpods 2nd gen into pairing mode. So like the Airpods 1, there is a button on the very back here. You can see it yourself. What you're going to do is hold on to that. So open up the case lid here. All right, so we'll open it up like this. You'll see it light up in green, and then we'll press down onto that button on the very back of the case itself. So we'll hold it down. It will light up in white and remain holding it down until it starts doing this. So once it does that, let it go. You'll see the white blinking light, which means you have gotten the Airpods 2 into a manual pairing mode. So with that said and done, we're gonna go ahead now and go into the settings of our phone here. So we'll go to settings here. Just give me a second here. So we'll go to settings. Yes, they're cutting grass in the background. So we'll go to settings, connection, and then we'll go to Bluetooth settings. And then we'll turn that on. And as you turn that on, it'll start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. And of course, the Airpods 2 is still in a pairing state. You'll see Airpods show up on your Samsung phone here. We'll select Airpods. It will say pairing, and then it'll say connected. You'll notice how it goes from a white light to a green light, and that's pretty much it. So don't close the lid. Actually, remove the AirPods from the case itself, and then you can close the lid, because if you close the lid, it will turn off everything, turn off the AirPods. Okay, so remember, the key here is to open up the lid and then hold down onto the button on the back of the case. Make sure it starts blinking into white blinking light, which means manual pairing mode, and then from here on, search on your phone and it should show up by then. Other than that, guys, hopefully it was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.